with Gardner Police Department. If this is an emergency, please hang up and dial 911. Otherwise, if you know the extension of the person you are trying to contact, please press the pound key and dial the 4-digit extension now. If you need to report a crime or have an officer sent to your location for any reason, please press 1. To speak with the community policing unit or a public information officer, please press 2. To contact Gardner Municipal Court, please press 3. To contact our administrative offices, to include the Chief of Police and Division Commanders.
Good afternoon, Gardner Police Department.
Hi there. Is Captain Hayes available? He just left me a voicemail, so I was just giving him a call back.
Okay, and what's your name?
Lonnie Lapardis.
Hold on just one moment.
This is Captain Hayes.
Hi, Captain Hayes. This is Lonnie Lapardis. I was just returning your phone call. Thank you for giving me a call back.
Yeah, absolutely. What can I help you with today, sir?
Yes, I was just curious to see if you had received my emails lately. I noticed that the one from November 29th hadn't been read yet, so I was just making sure that you were receiving those. Related to my... Oh, sorry.
What's the email address that they would have came from, Mr. Lapardis?
It would just be lapardisvshomesite@gmail.com. Was sent to J...
I'm checking my inbox now, trying to see if I have those.
Okay. Yeah, it looks like I got an email, jhays@gardnerkansas.gov.
Yes, that's me. And you said you sent those in November?
Yeah, November 29th looks like on... I'm not showing them in there in November. Do you want to try and send me whatever it is you need me to have again? See if I can get it right now while I'm on the phone with you? Yeah, I can. And just out of curiosity, is it H-E-Y, or Y-E-S, sorry, for Hayes, or just an S after Y?
So it's a funny story. Actually, either one gets to me because when they initially set up my email, they spelled my name wrong.
Okay.
So my actual name is Hayes. So if you send it to J Hayes Hayes at Gardner, Kansas spelled out .gov, that gets me.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, I just resent it. I forwarded it again. I actually just did both emails this time.
I'm staring at it right now. We'll see.
Okay, and if email's not working, I can always just fax it over to you. I don't mind doing that. It's just related to my complaint about the arrest that occurred in July of 2023. Well, I know that you had done your report and everything, and you said that everything was in compliance, but I wasn't. I guess if you haven't received my email, I don't know if you'd know, but did you know that was actually ruled to be an unlawful arrest?
Mr. Lapardis, I mean, I know that we've had contact with you concern about a lawsuit, so I'm not going to...
Well, that's for a different...
I mean, obviously, we evaluated the complaint at the time you made the complaint.
Well, the lawsuit's a different situation, unfortunately. That's a different thing. I haven't sought to do a lawsuit for this one.
If you're concerned about the incident where we assisted the police department, I mean, we're acting in good faith with a partnering agency. So whether that arrest was or was not deemed to be proper as far as whether there's probable cause to make the arrest or not, that's between you and the Olathe Police Department, not you and the Gardner Police Department.
Well, but see, I wasn't arrested originally by the Olathe Police Department.
I'm familiar with the facts of the case, Mr. Lapardis, okay?
Okay. Well, I was just curious to see if there was going to be anything about...
I have not received that email, so if you want to send me a fax, you're welcome to send me a fax.
Okay, I can do that. Just one thing, I'm going to notate that. So, I guess just to clarify, too, that I guess Gardner PD isn't really going to do anything, even though now it's been established by a judge that the arrest was not lawful.
Mr. Lapardis, I just said we were acting in good faith with a partnering agency, okay? And if the police department calls me again today and says that they need us to detain somebody because they have probable cause to make an arrest, we're going to do that.
Okay. I guess, do you happen to know, like, what maybe my next step would be in this process? I know you guys kind of self-regulate, and I just kind of am curious, like, maybe what would be the next step after that if I would like to bring this to maybe somebody else to overview?
Someone else over me?
No, someone else to
The
review, sorry.
was reviewed by the chief of police.
No, well, I mean, like, if I would like maybe it to, like, be reviewed, but is there, like, any other processes that are outside of the Gardner Police Department? I mean, I know, like I said, I know you guys are trying to internally review yourself, but I mean, that could, also...
The Attorney General has the ability to review if you feel like there's improper handling of an incident by an agency. They have the ability to oversee us.
Okay, so that would be the next step?
Yep.
Okay.
Do you have our fax number, sir?
Oh, I believe it was in your email signature, but let me just double check.
Should be 856-5733.
856-753-33, excuse me, I've got a...
5733.
Thank you, yeah, sorry, I'm getting over a cold, so my...
You're fine.
Okay, yeah, I will... Well, I guess actually if you're not going to do anything about it, I guess I won't fax that to you. I guess I'll just go ahead and just do it to the Attorney General.
If there's something you want me to read that you feel like I haven't gotten, then feel free to fax it over. I'll be happy to look at it, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.